Hello everyone! One of the most interactive places on Facebook are Facebook groups. Here, members can interact between themselves much more than on your Facebook page. Note that this is the place where you can also promote yourself or your business. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Log into your Facebook profile and click on the group icon. On your left hand side, you can see plus create new group button. Click on that tab. It would be good to come up with a unique group name. Maybe it's better to do a quick search before creating a group and see if there's one with the same name. Groups can be private or public, meaning that if it's a public group, anyone can see what you posted and who's in the group, regardless of whether they have a Facebook account or not. If it's a private group, only members can have that honor. Inviting friends is optional, but sometimes it's important to invite them. First, as the starter position, so that visitors can see that the group is not empty. And second, well, maybe some of your friends will really be interested in this group. The goal of each group is interaction. Changing goods, opinions, experiences, you name it. After you click on create, only then you'll be able to work on it. Now change your cover photo and be sure that you have an interesting group background that is in Facebook Dimensions. Try to have a unique and recognizable design. Don't forget to add the description so that people can know what the group is about. Now it's time to create a post and start the discussions. Keep in mind that creating a post is exactly the same as mentioned in our video tutorial how to create Facebook post. Invite people to comment, share, ask questions, write a greeting, or introduce yourself. Members part shows how many members your group has and who are the members of your group. Also, you can create a group event. More on that in the video how to create Facebook event. Now please note, it's important to have group admins so one or several persons can control what's happening in the group. On your left hand side, you're able to check member requests. Also, you can use an automatic member approval, which is easier, but not always the best solution. One of the checking points is membership questions. It can filter your group members. For example, you do not want everyone to be in your group, just people who really know about the subjects. We're talking about movies, marketing, business, stock exchange, cosmetics, you name it. Pending posts. As an admin, you're able to see all the posts. Maybe some of them are not appropriate, so you do not want to publish them. And that is legit. Post topics are interesting. And if there are topics that are repeating. For example, digital marketing business and marketing business. You can schedule some of the posts. Steps are verbatim, just like when creating posts. You can check out our video how to create a Facebook post. But here's a slight difference. Ask for recommendations for some specific locality, tag events, or even create a document if it's important for you and your group. The good thing is that you can add files from your computer. You're just one click away from sharing your PDF documents, for example, presenting some text, contract, or study. Activity log. Place where you can find all the activities of your group. Now, what is important here is that there should be some group rules, so don't be lazy and write them down. That will keep the group in order. Also, be ready to find some reported content. You as an admin can always check member reported content and approve it, or not. Again, maybe it's good to have more than one admin in your group. When you write the rules, there can be alerts that can be triggered by some words or specific type of posts, language, so be sure to check that from time to time. Group quality. In order to ensure safety of your Facebook group and its users, special checking from Facebook ensures that the group stays in the guidelines of the platform. Now let's go to the settings part where you can always make changes. The interesting part is that you can customize web address. Change URL. If you don't know what URL is, check out our free video, Social Media Language and Expressions. If you want to play a little bit, change the color and group badges. People like to have badges as interesting group labels, so be sure to use them, sometimes all of them. Group type is general, but be sure that you have the right description down. Job offers, creating rooms, mentorship, and social learning units. Those are the next level. It means that you can add those extra features in order to give your page an extra value. Feel free to offer a job through group if you need new employees or use social learning units. Manage membership. It is of great importance who can join your group. If your group is talking about local businesses, maybe you can allow local dealers or business owners to be part of your group. If you do not have the time or community manager advice, each member can provide and approve member requests. You can pre-approve some groups to join your group. If you're selling, for example, mobile phones, pages that are in the phone business can be pre-approved. If you manage the discussion, be sure to think about who can post in your group. If your group is an organization or presenting municipality, it's better that only admins can post. But if you're a group that is talking about sports, food, travel, sales, makeup, you can easily allow anyone to post. Approve all members' posts. It can be tricky, so think twice before you check this part. If you're an admin on more than one page, you can link them to the group. If you're an admin or a member of other groups, you can recommend them in the one you're creating. If you're adding apps to your group, remember, you'll be able to see posts and comments for those apps in your group, but not who wrote them. Clicking on Tab, you can choose the app that is corresponding with your group. So be sure you previously check out all the app's features. If you want to delete your group, click on 3 dots on your right-hand side and then Leave Group. If you're the only member, the group will disappear with you. You can remove group members one by one, but there is no bulk option for that. So, before you create a group, be sure that you followed all the necessary steps and prepare them, so you can be much more productive and efficient. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.